Hello there. We're going to do a cleaning of stage 2 of the rock barrels. And so you're just going to watch me take these apart. And these have been going for 5 days. On my other video, I showed you how I put them in there. And so I'm going to clean these. And well, first I'm going to see if they're even going to move to stage 3. So we're going to take off the lids. It's a nice slurry. This is a 120, 220 grit that I got from the rock shed. Oh yeah, that one's nice too. Got a nice slurry. All right. Dump these both in there. Now it's time to wash them. Have a look. Ah, these look nice. Very nice. Got lots of jasper and yeah, these have rounded up, shined up nicely. Of course, they're wet, so, but there you go. So, I tumbled these for 1 week on the rough grit. I don't remember the number, sorry, this is only my second tumble. And did those for actually 6 days, and then, sorry, hopefully you can hear me. I think these are ready to move on to the stage 3, the pre-polish. These look great. Look at these. Hopefully you can see that. It's in focus. Pretty color. That orange and black one that I had in my other video. All of these I got out in the desert here in California, Central California, or the beaches. Very nice. And this is with my Lortone 33D tumbler. Look at that one. Very nice. That's that. I'll clean up my barrels and I'll move these to stage 3 pre-polish. We'll see you then.